Hey guys, it's Julia and I'm back with another video for you. I'm getting ready for the day and I'm going out tonight with my friend, so I decided I would film that look for you. It's gonna be like an easy, subtle, glam, holiday makeup look. I have a new setup, so I have like a little desk and everything, so we'll see how this goes. I really like the desk. It has a bunch of drawers in it so I can put my makeup in it, which is really awesome. My hair's a little bit of a mess and we're just gonna ignore that little guy. Let's just get started. For this entire look, I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. Let's just dive in, shall we? I think I'm gonna make this a quick little video, so you're not gonna see me do my face because I have the same exact products I use pretty much all the time. All right, so I'm gonna put my hair up just to get it out of the way, and then I'm going to start by priming my eyes. I'm going to use the Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. I'm just gonna put that all over my eyelid. Look, I cleaned my brushes. They are so clean, and then I have a drawer over here where I keep all of my face brushes, but like, I cleaned them yesterday. I haven't cleaned them in like 2 months. Alright, so first I'm going to go in with a transition shade. I'm going to keep this eye look neutral for the most part with just a little pop of color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shadow Punch Me, which is like a light brown, on the Morphe M518 brush and just blend that all into my crease. Alright, now that we have that in there, I'm going to take the shadow T, and it's like a dark brown, and I'm going to take this on a Morphe E22 brush and focus that more on my outer corner. I kind of stamp it on first and then start softly blending. I'm also going to try to blend this a little bit into my crease. Actually, we're going to go in with the Morphe E17 and pick up that same shadow and start blending that slightly in the crease. Alright, now on a Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to pick up a little bit of Benny. It's kind of like a really dark purpley brown, and we're really going to press that slightly, just a little bit of pigment on the outer corner, and then we're going to start building that up. Okay, now that that dark is there, I'm gonna take a little bit more of T on the Morphe M506 brush and darken up the crease just a little bit. No, I'm not gonna go all the way down to the inner corner. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna leave it like this, but I'm gonna take Kitten Karma. It's a Stila glitter eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna put like a little bit, I don't know if you can see that, right on my lid, and then start tapping that really carefully around my lid. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is go over that with a gold eyeshadow. So I'm going to take the Morphe M124 brush and I'm going to go in with So Good from the James Charles palette. It's a gold shadow, and I'm not going to wet my brush yet. I'm just going to see how this will do if I just pack this on top of the glitter. And I don't want to get this all the way in my crease, so I'm being pretty careful about my placement. I'm just going to take a little bit more of that glitter. See, this glitter isn't exactly gold. It's very pretty. So I'm just going to take a little bit more of that and kind of stipple it over that gold shimmer shadow, and again go in with my finger. It just gives it a little extra pop. Ooh, that is so pretty. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the Morphe M506 brush again, and then I'm going to take a little bit of Punch Me, which was our transition shadow, and very lightly go in that crease just to blend the edge. And then I'm also going to go back in with T on the same brush and very lightly go over the gold and then that brown we put on earlier, just to really blend that together. Alright, so I'm going to do the other eye off camera and then I will be back. Alright everyone, I'm back. I did the other eye as well as I did my face, and let's keep on going. Alright, I realized I forgot to line my eyes. I'm not going to do a wing or anything like that. I'm just going to dip in to the James Charles palette with the Morphe M432 brush. It's a really thin flat brush, And we're gonna go into Benny, which is what we used before to darken up that outer corner. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on my brush and then go in and stamp that shadow very close to my lash line. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is add a little pop of color. I got this eyeliner in an Ipsy bag. It is by Sugar. It is 03 Green Light. So it's like a sparkly dark green. And so what I'm gonna do is align my under eyes. All right, now I'm gonna take this Eco Tools detailer brush. I don't remember where I got it, and I'm gonna smudge this out. All right, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the James Charles palette. I'm going to dip into the shade Guac. So I'm gonna go in with the Morphe E36 brush. It's a tiny pencil brush, and dip into that shadow and work on smudging that out a little bit more. Now I'm going to dip into Face. It's a highlighter, and I'm gonna take that on the Morphe E36 again. Just dip a little bit into that and highlight the inner corners of my eyes. And I'm also going to use that to highlight my brow bone. Alrighty, now I'm going to curl my lashes, and then I'm going to apply mascara. Alright, there's that. Now I'm just going to apply a little bit of lipstick, and I will be right back. Alright everyone, so this is the final look. You don't have to pair it with a red lip, I just did for the sake of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoy making videos, and I really appreciate you subscribing as well as liking and commenting on my videos. It means a lot to me. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are having a great holiday season. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. I hope you guys had a wonderful day or are going to have a wonderful day. Bye!